will be near Hempstead Harbor, Mamaroneck Harbor around 7:45 p.m., Captain Harbor around 7:55 p.m., Stamford Harbor, Cold Spring Harbor around 8 p.m., Long Neck Point, Huntington Bay around 8:05 p.m., Norwalk Islands, Smithtown Bay around 8:15 p.m., Benfield Reef around 8:30 p.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Thursday evening for southern Connecticut and northeast New Jersey and southeast New York. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued